welcome back to my channel. As you can already see from the title of this video, it is going to be my beauty co haul with my first impressions, some reviews about some products, and of course a lot of the products out there which I didn't quite like. So stay tuned to know how these products work for me. And if you're someone who's planning to buy beauty co products, then do give this video an entire watch. So let's get started. So the first thing which I have with me is the Beauty Co Glow Mask Peel Off Activated Charcoal Glitter Mask. Now, if you're someone who keeps track about the recent launches in the market, you would know that this is like literally a dupe of the Glam Glow glitter face masks. Now I'll just open this product and will show you guys what is inside this. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and here is the product, and it also comes with its own spoolie, which is like an applicator or something. Yeah, it kind of glows. So that is fine. I mean, I'm like pretty cool with the packaging. It looks pretty cool. And like you open this one up, and okay, now I'll show you guys something. It's already, I think, everywhere. You can see this one. Now how does it look when you open it out? It's pretty weird. It smells like an aftershave. So as you can see, this is pretty much what it looks like. It's really very gooey sort of a thing, as you can see. Okay, it's all over my hands right now. Oh my god, I have to put this one back in. It's gonna be crazy. Alright, so yeah, this being put back. This one, it smells more like an aftershave or like a shaving cream, because yeah, it totally smells like, you know, those. I mean, I have smelled this thing. I think my father used to use this. He doesn't use that product now. He used to use this previously, so I think it was like a musk or Old Spice. It smells like that. The next one again is the Beauty Co Glow Mask Peel Off, and this one is in the variant of mixed berries. So the reason I picked up, of course, was it's pink. So there's no doubt I picked up for the color. Now again, this one comes with its own spoolie, and this of course is the packaging. This one kind of looks more orange as compared to pink. So this is what it looks like. Now again, I mean, I don't really feel like opening it up. Because I get this product everywhere. It's like, it just don't know, it kind of just spills everywhere. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's like a little bit of sparkles in here going on. This looks very orangish as compared to now like pink. Okay, now I'm yet to use these products. I haven't tried these ones yet because first and foremost, I'm ordered the Nykaa's Glow or Glam Glitter Mask. I'm planning to use those, and another big reason is that I have used some of the Beauty Co products. They didn't really work for me, so that is the reason why I'm a little skeptical about using these. So this was the second one. Now I'll try to mention the prices of all the things in the description box below, but yeah, this one was 100 grams for 850. Of course, I got all of these for like crazy discounts. There was this huge weird sort of a sale for 60%, 70% off. I think I got this one for, say, suppose around 250 or 300. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but I got this one for this price. So the next product which I have, or rather two next products which I have with me. So this is the Beauty Co's Cuticle Oil Milk and Honey, and this is the cuticle oil in the variant of vitamin E. I really love the packaging of these. So this is what it looks like. You can see how tiny, small, cute this one is, and it comes with this pretty cute dropper. So yeah, now I don't really know how much this is going to work because I just applied it once, and it's like pretty oily and pretty runny, so it's not going to stay on your cuticles or your nails for that matter. And the packaging of this one also I'll show you. So this one also has a similar packaging. It's really nice, glowy sort of a thing. I really like the packaging of this one, by the way. I mean, even if after I'm like done using these, I'll just keep these bottles to use it in the future. I really like it, and of course this one looks nice. So this is the outer packaging. It looks really nice and classy, like with, you know, those gold detailing and all that. It is my type. So I have used these like once. I won't say I've used this like a lot of times. I used this once to give you guys a first impression. Maybe, yeah, these are like okay. I mean, I've used the cuticle oil as well as the vitamin E oil. Both of them I've used. These are like okay. I mean, if you have to go on using them, you have to go on using them every single day. In fact, sometimes twice a day to see real difference. I mean, I have not seen any such difference. Again, I got this one because I saw this thing that they were really one of the best sellers from their brands, and I had to try this. Now the next thing which I have, okay, so I'll start with this. So this is the Beauty Co's White Teeth Whitening Coconut Shell Activated Charcoal Powder, polishes teeth, removes plaque. So yeah, this is what the thing looks like. And this one is for 599 rupees, and this is 50 grams. I'll show you guys again. You know, opening these products, they're like, I'm literally scared it's gonna fall all over my room, because that is the thing about these products. They're like so loose and so weird. I'm- I don't know. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, as you can see, it's totally powdery. uh, it's totally powdery. It smells like shoe polish. It smells like shoe polish, exactly. So if you're someone who likes the smell of shoe polish, just go and buy this. You know, this, I don't know, it has some people like the smell of petrol shoe polish. I mean, I am one of them. So if you're someone who likes the smell of shoe polish, you can get this for that reason. I mean, I don't know whether it works for your teeth. I've used this once. I don't really have very pluck looking teeth, and I am not also very like I usually brush my teeth every day, so I'm not someone who has good. I'm still struggling to put this one in. So I'm not someone who struggles with having yellow teeth or something like that. But if you're someone who's planning to give this one like a try, so if you're like, you know, in the mood for a holiday or a festive glow up, you can definitely give this one a try. I mean, yeah, it's not very expensive. Of course, you'll get this for a sale like all the time, so you can just try this one out. So that is the thing. The next thing which I have is this Beauty Co's coffee scrub. So this is the Made with Love coffee scrub, the Beauty Co activated charcoal exfoliating and brightening. So this is what the thing looks like. Again, this is for 100 grams, and this one retails for 399 rupees. Now this was like, I was checking the Instagram page, this was all over the Instagram page. I was super excited to try this one out. I am like so disappointed. I'll tell you guys, I mean, this one smells like, you know, if you keep ghee or oil for a very long time inside, not even your fridge, if you just keep it somewhere, you know, after a year or so, if you just open it, it kind of smells very, I don't know what do you call it? What's the term? I think it's called rancid or something like that. Yeah, I read it in chemistry. It kind of smells like very bad. So that was the smell of this product. I'll show you. I'll try to show you. I'm not going to take it in my hands. So I just try to show you. Oh, okay. So this is what the thing looks like. It's very powdery and all, but it smells weird. It smells like, you know, basi roti, basi paratha sort of a thing. I mean, of course, I was like, okay, I'll give this one a try. I was like, okay, I'm not very judgmental. I thought I'll just give this one a try and see how this works. I put it all over my face, like after, you know, washing my face with my face wash. I just kind of did my sonic massager thing. Super excited to try my scrub. I put it on my face, I wash it off, and I'm like, this oil all over my face, oil and brown color. Like, what the hell just happened? And of course, it won't just go off, it won't go off. I'll just rub this, it doesn't go off. I had to use my face wash again, I had to use another face scrub to get rid of that, and I break out the next day. So, it didn't work for me at all. I mean, I don't know. The thing with that, most of the products that you received, I don't know, they're very weird. So, is it because I received bad products? Or the products itself are not that good? Because I don't want to believe that these are not good, because I've seen good reviews about these products all over. Like, I checked the Insta page, I checked a lot of the YouTubers blogging about these. I don't know, it's because whether I received some outdated or expired products or some bad products, I don't know. I didn't like a lot of these products. So if you're someone who purchased these products, you can definitely comment down if it worked for you, if you receive good products, or if you receive something like this. Just comment down so at least get to know, and at least get to know whether I'm going to be purchasing it like again or not. So the next two things which I have, so one is this Beauty Co aloe vera facial mist, hydrating, controls aging. This is 100 ml, retails for 420 rupees. So this is the thing, this is what it looks like. So this one I have used this one like once or twice, not once or twice, I've used this one a little more than that. So it comes with a nice spray thing. So this is what the spray is like. It's pretty fine, and I'll show you. You could see. So it's pretty fine, and I think it's nice. I mean, the smell and all, everything is really nice. I mean, I really like facial mist. I've used a facial mist from Good Vibes. It was a lavender face mist, and this is my second face mist. I purchased the L'Oreal Hydra Spa water, so we're using that from now on. But yeah, if you really want to have like a regular face mist which you want to spritz in the morning or something like that, you can go for this one. I mean, yeah, it's aloe vera. I mean, I really like things which have aloe vera or charcoal or coffee in them. So I picked this up for this reason. It's really like like the amount is pretty huge. It's 100 ml, so it's going to last you for like a long time, and I think it's good. I mean, you can just spray it on you and you're going to feel very refreshed and very energized. So you can definitely try this one on. This is one of those products which didn't disappoint me. So yeah, definitely you can get this one a try. Now the next thing which I have is this Beauty Co's aloe vera skin toner. So this claims to tighten pores, reduce dark spots, and this is for 200 ml. Retails for 450 rupees. So again, this is what it looks like. It comes with this sort of a lid sort of a thing, and that is the thing. Now again, this is pretty huge. This is like 200 ml, so it's pretty huge. And I was actually planning to kind of get into my skincare game, like my cleansing, toning, moisturizing. So I didn't have a toner, to be very honest. I didn't have one, and I don't purchase toners as well because I'm like it's बहुत बेकार step है, कौन लगाएगा toner face पे. So that was the reason I didn't want to buy a very expensive toner because I knew I won't end up using it. So I thought of buying the Face Shop's rice water toner once, and I was like, no, first let me get into the habit of using a toner. If I am able to like carry on with my habit, I'll expand, like I'll purchase a more expensive toner, but for the timing, let's just use a toner. If I don't use it, there's no point in buying it. So that was the second one. Now whether it works, I mean, it's okay. It's like totally fine. I mean, it doesn't really break you out, but at the same time, I mean, I have not seen any extremely like noticeable difference, like my skin looking extremely clear, or I'm waking up with like super nourished skin. Nothing like that. But if you're someone who just wants to use a basic toner, you can just go for it. Well, that was all for today's video. That was all for my today's beauty go haul slash first impressions slash reviews. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also notification bell button next to it, so you never miss an update from my side. And also till then, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in a new video very soon.